Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to session 6 of topic numbers in maths. In our previous lecture, we discussed rounding of numbers to the nearest 10, and it was so simple. So today we are going to discuss and going to learn rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. So in rounding of numbers to the nearest 100, to round off numbers to the nearest 100, look at the digit in the tens place. Look at the digit in the tens place. If the digit in the tens place is less than 5, replace the digit in the ones and tens place with 0, and all the other digits of the number remain the same. This is called rounding down. If the digit in the tens place is 5 or greater than 5, replace the digit in the ones and tens place with 0 and add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. All the other digits of the number remain the same. This is called rounding up. Let's see the example. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Here the number is given 346. So we will check the number at tens place, that it is 4. So 4 is greater than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. So what we will do? We will make this uh, digit at tens place and at ones place 0. So it will become 300. 346 is rounded down to 300. Since in the tens place 4 is less than 5, so write 00 in place of 46. Similarly, here the number is 6471. So let's check the digit in tens place. So here the digit in tens place is 7, which is greater than 5. So what will we do? We will make these two digits at ones place and at tens place. We will make these two digits as 0. It means 71 will become 00, and we will add 1 in the digit which is on the 100 place, that is 4. So here we will add 1 because this 7 is greater than 5. So here we are adding 1 in 4. So in the tens place 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to 4 and write 00 in place of 71. It's simple. So after this I am going to show you a video which will help you for better understanding.
Alright, yesterday we rounded to the nearest 10. Today we're rounding to the nearest 100. So all of our answers are going to be numbers that we would count by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, or 1000. Our strong numbers are still the same. Strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Weak numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do this. Now, remember, we're rounding to the nearest 100. So I'm going to underline the hundreds place. I'm going one column to the right. So I'm looking in the tens place. And I'm deciding, is that number weak or strong? 3 is weak. It has no power to push the 4. The 4 stays the same. And then this 3 and this 6 turn into zeros because I want a number that we would count if we were counting by hundreds because we're rounding to the nearest 100. So the 3 and the 6 are now zeros. We just turn them into zeros. Next one, rounding to the nearest 100. So I'm going back one column and I'm looking in the tens. I'm deciding whether or not 7 is weak or strong. And I know that 7 is strong. So that means it's going to push the 5 to a 6 because the next number up is 5, 6. I take my 7 and my 8 and I turn them into zeros. So I have a number that I count by hundreds, 600. Here's my 100. I'm looking at the 9. I go back one column to the 2. The 2 is weak. It has no power to push the 9 up. So the 9 stays the same. And the 2 and the 5 turn into zeros. And again, I have a number that I count by when I count by hundreds. 900. Pretty easy, especially since you did a good job yesterday. So now it's your turn to try. You are rounding to the nearest 100. Good luck.
So here your assignment. Hope you always solve it and give me back. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.